Hello. I tried to make this video last night, but the internet was down and stuff wasn't working. But, well, it's okay. So I'll just show you what I got today also. So I'll do like a Saturday and a Sunday video. Okay. This was yesterday. Got the last one. One was a Bowman box, Mega box. One was a Chronicles blaster box. Okay, that's one. Couple Chronicles blaster boxes. Fat packs. And I think I showed this already earlier in the day. I got if I could get them out. Bowman Mega Box and Bowman Mega Box. Throw those back in. Throw the receipt back in. And throw the other bag back in. Alright, so I did really well there. Perfect. Okay. Oh. Then I went back last night to check. Make sure everything was good. Another upside down. Got two more of these. They're dirt cheap over there, so I got two more. I got the last fat pack of Top Series 1, which no one really cares. I got two of these, which is good. And I also got people go nuts for these things. They're expensive though. Your Shifu blue, your Shifu blue, your Shifu red. Okay. Alright. And everyone loves these things, so I got two of these. It really is tough doing this. This stupid camera's always the wrong way. It's slightly over. Then today, like I keep saying, since they're so dirt cheap, they're only $8. Everywhere else they're like $13 or 10 or 11 or 11.98. Two more packs of Chronicles. And two more of these things that people really like. So, all right. That was this morning. Okay. Yeah. Got like a soda and something else. A candy bar or a bag of chips or something. Nothing happened there. Then I went to... Oh, I forgot. I was ready to go home and I said, you know what? I'll check Big Lots in Wilkes-Barre. Even though it's nothing much, nothing at all really. It's the first time I've ever gotten sports cards at Big Lots in Wilkes-Barre. So I was like, wow, you're actually allowed to get cards in Wilkes-Barre at Big Lots. Couldn't believe it. Then I went to Einen. Figured if they had cards there. They didn't have them in Dunmore. For a special person. Hey, how do you pass that off? That's such a cool shirt. So, there we go. And then the last stop I made be my secret. Okay, this is usually like $5-6. I haven't seen them in a while, so I grabbed one. But wow, this is $8.99 for the little Pokemon tin. And I got a blaster box. Diamond Kings. Always goes upside down. Cool. Cool beans. All right, that's it for yesterday and today. I wasn't going to do much, but I kept finding stuff, and I kept finding stuff, and I'd get a feeling, and I would go, and I'd find it. The only place I didn't get anything was Dunmore Big Lots. It's the only place. I think I bought a bag of chips and a Mountain Dew there or something. That's it. All right, it's an 8-minute and 15-second video. Perfect. I've got more stuff there and a bunch of stuff there. I have to go get a box to bring more stuff to make that continuation video. So, all right, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. You guys have a good day.